Man, oh man. Yeah, what's up? What's up, man? Hey, look, why do it look so dark in here? Like what? Hey, y'all, look, we got us a crazy video. So this woman right here, I guess she ran over her boyfriend and then said, "Oh, he okay," as he was dying. Like, nah, we ain't finna do that one. I ain't going for that. Hey, y'all, hit that like and subscribe button. So, hey, this should have been started.
She said she accidentally ran
Hit the
over
button.
in the parking lot.
Mom, he trying to kill me.
That does look like blood. I don't know. That's on the other side. That doesn't look right. She might be telling the truth, but I just don't see it.
When a woman calls 911 after accidentally running over her boyfriend in a parking lot, the details of her story don't quite add up. With rain threatening to wash away critical evidence, investigators work fast to make sense of the scene. But what they don't realize is that the truth has already been recorded, hidden in a chilling voicemail that changes everything. The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Just before 4 a.m. on April 15, 2021, dispatchers in Longview, Texas receive an urgent 911 call.
Okay, what happened?
My boyfriend put a knife out on me, and I went to drive off because he was trying to run me off the road or whatever. So I went to drive off, and when I tried to drive, he ran in front of my vehicle, and he got hit. And he dropped the knife. He was trying to cut me.
Is he moving? Is he breathing?
Yeah, he's breathing. Yes, ma'am. He dead, ma'am.
You think he's dead?
No, I don't know. He's not dead. He breathing. He's asleep. He's highly intoxicated.
Okay, well, you said he was dead. What made you think he was dead?
No, he's not dead. He just sort of snoring. He will not get up.
Officers race to the scene to find the caller, 44-year-old Policia Stewart, standing over a man who is critically injured.
I got a mel on the ground.
I bet y'all she drunk. Y'all know I've been on the hiatus against heavy liquor usage.
12, one at gunpoint. Turn around. Turn around. Hands up. Check that car. Check that car. Turn around. Face away from me. Detain her. Car's clear. Come here. Come here. Towards me. Turn around. 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 Turn around.
Why y'all just talking to me?
Precaution, okay? Hang tight.
He has a knife.
Walk back this way. Walk back this way.
Okay.
Come on.
He has a knife.
Right in here.
Look at that.
Where's the wound at? I can't tell, man. Face somewhere. Roll him over. What's wrong with him? I don't know. He got stabbed. Knife right there. I don't see any wounds on him. It's gonna be in his face. I just don't know where. It's all gonna be internal. If he got hit squeeze my neck, you hear me? If he got hit by a car, she stabbed it. Hey, come on.
Hit him with the car.
Is there any other obvious signs?
No, I can't tell. Does it look like he went under it? I don't know. That's what I'm saying. All she said when she pulled up, she wants to press charges.
An ambulance arrives to transport the victim, 47-year-old George Edward Stoker IV, to a nearby hospital. With rain threatening the crime scene, officers do their best to collect what evidence they can before it's washed away. Near the spot where George was found, officers observe the scattered remains of a hamburger, a partially smoked cigar, and an open knife.
Ma'am?
Did you get the knife off the ground?
We got it. Don't worry about it, okay? We're taking care of everything.
So it's my fault.
No, I'm not saying that. Listen, there's a process that we have to go through to investigate the situation.
He on my job.
Okay.
I went the other way. He's ready.
We're not done talking to you, okay?
I know, but y'all trying to take y'all for to take me to jail.
No, I mean I'm not saying you want
I'm
to
telling you
jail.
the truth. I have.
Okay, this is just part of the process, okay? He's got some pretty severe injuries, and we have to investigate everything, okay? So just do me a favor, stay here and relax, and we'll be back to talk to you here in a minute, okay?
I understand. I'm just saying.
But as the investigation continues, the scattered food, the severity of George's injuries, and other details raise concerns that Policia isn't telling the whole story.
Just let her talk. You're recording, right? Yeah. See if she just throws herself under the bus somehow. Yeah, she might be telling the truth, but I just don't see it. I don't really. It's possible at this point. Listen, do me a favor. There's no need screaming. Okay, there's no need for screaming.
I know I have to.
I understand. Okay.
Can I be on myself?
I mean, I can't tell you not to. I prefer you not, okay?
Yeah, just leave.
All right.
At the hospital, medical staff work tirelessly to save George's life, while others begin asking questions about what happened.
They're out there now talking to her, and that's what she's saying, that she ended up running him over.
Oh, she's
Yeah.
on purpose?
Yeah.
Oh. Ran him over. Did he, like, start a race or something?
Don't know all about that.
With more questions than answers, police bring Policia in to speak with a detective. As she begins her account, Policia explains that George had been working late on a house remodel while she waited for him in the truck. She says they made several trips to his brother's house over the course of the night, including one around 11:30 p.m., when police pulled them over outside the residence.
Hello.
Hello.
You know, I stopped you today because you didn't have your
I realized
lights on.
when I just came out the appointment, I realized I didn't have my lights on, so I turned them on.
Yes, ma'am. Where y'all headed today?
Right here.
Y'all are just headed here?
Yeah, I'm remodeling this house.
Yes, sir.
And I
went to go get some trash bags from my brother.
Yes, sir. Do you have your license and insurance on you?
Yes, I have my license on me, and I have my insurance card, and this is a rental car, so it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I just, when I seen that, I said, damn, my lights on, because they supposed to be automatic, but
yes, ma'am.
they didn't come on.
You may have just had
Look,
them.
I don't know. I'm
The
just
rental company
assuming.
may have just had them
Yeah,
off.
so it's fine. Here you go.
She provides the officer with insurance documents from the rental company that owns the truck, and he returns to his cruiser to run her ID.
So whenever I first got up there, I thought I smelled weed, and they had the heat blasting. Towards the end, I didn't smell anything.
Okay.
Both Policia and George appeared at ease, with no indication that anything was wrong or that within hours, George would be fighting for his life. According to Policia, the two got a meal at Whataburger after the traffic stop and later began to drive home when George suddenly attacked her.
Has he got violent with you before?
Yeah, he has.
Did you get injured at all?
Well, he hit me in my face.
Tonight?
Yeah, he hit my face. When he was sussing, he hit me in my face. And they was like, man, not today. We're not finna fight today.
According to official records, Policia and George share a long history of domestic-related incidents, with at least 14 instances where police were called to intervene.
14? 911, where's your emergency?
Come to my house. He's jumping on me. Oh, he's jumping on me. I hear you. He's jumping on me, boy.
What is he doing, ma'am?
He's jumping on me.
Okay, you keep saying he's jumping on me, but I need you to explain what he's doing.
He's hitting on me. My clothes, you don't want me clothes.
Policia reports an assault every time she calls, but in each case, there's either no evidence of injury or she recants her statement. She continues her story, explaining to the detective what happened when George, who was lying in the back seat, attempted to run them off the road. She'll refer to George going forward by his nickname, Kilo.
He jumped over the seat.
Yeah, she lying. It's too much going on. Even in there, he jumping on me. I'm getting my clothes. He's jumping on me. That's why the dispatcher asked like that, like, come on, you got to start. Because obviously, you can tell in the background he is not physically coming towards you or he even right next to you at the moment. By the way, he had no hard breathing from adrenaline pumping, none of that. You would have heard it in his voice regardless. Like, we watched too many of these videos. She lying. She lying about something. I don't trust her. I don't know. And Kilo, how your name George? You got the nickname Kilo. How that? Yeah.
And he started trying to grab the steering wheel. I said, no, I'm not. We're not. Let's go home. I don't know where you trying to go to. Where you trying to go to? This is. I was like, Kilo, quit. What's wrong with you? Well, we're gonna crash and kill each other. No, we're not. We're not gonna do that. So I'm trying to grab him. We tussling with the steering wheel. And that's when I think when he pulled, he had a knife. He jumps out the truck. My mind wasn't thinking. And then he comes around to my side. And then I just drove. And that's when I hit him.
After hearing her story, one detail continues to puzzle the detective.
When he got out of the car, after y'all swerved off the road, did he take the food with him or?
He had it in his hand. I guess he had the diaper away. He had the diaper away and he had his burger. He did. And that's when he was trying to come to my side. Okay. I don't know why he wanted to.
But any hope of hearing George's version of events fades as an officer delivers tragic news to his aunt and niece.
So he has passed away, okay? I'm sorry.
Wow.
We do have him here, okay? You can't go back there, okay? So we're treating this as a crime. The suspect is... No, ma'am. Not right now, okay? So the suspect is in our custody, okay? She's talking to our detectives right now.
The loss is heartbreaking for his family and surprising for the two officers who encountered him during the traffic stop earlier in the night.
Yep, you just talked to him a few hours ago. Now he's dead.
Yep.
As the detective delivers the news to Policia, her reaction takes a shocking and unexpected turn.
Is he okay?
He's passed away. I talked to him just a minute ago. He's passed away. What we need to do, like I said, take a smell. You're gonna wipe your hands right quick. Nope. Alicia, you okay?
That thing wasn't good enough for me.
Alicia. Wake up. Alicia, wake up and talk to me. You okay? Here, let's get back up in the chair. You don't want to be on this floor, trust me. It's dirty. Let's hop back here. Let's hop up here in the chair. You'll be up.
He died on me! Oh, he died on me. Oh, God, help me, Jesus. He died on me.
Let's have a seat.
Come.
Alicia, let's have a
He
seat.
died on me.
Alicia.
He died on me.
Here, let's have a seat in the chair. That table will flip over on you, okay? Easy. Let's have a seat. Let's have a seat. I don't want you to hurt yourself, okay?
Okay. I'm going to hurt my. Where I'm gonna go? I'm gonna go to jail. Jesus!
Alicia, let's have a seat, okay? I don't want you to hurt yourself. No, let's sit in the chair. Let's sit in the chair, okay?
He died on me. How did say? I need a prison. He died on me.
Okay.
He killed. He died. He died. He died. Oh, he died on me.
Alicia, there's a napkin.
He died on me. Jesus, help me. He died. Come on. Help me. I see you gonna be okay. I see.
You want some water?
No, I wanna go home.
Okay. Give us just a few minutes for that, okay? And we'll get you home.
As she calms down enough for the technician to take swabs of her hands, the detective relays his next steps.
What I need to do is I need to run out there and look for cameras right quick.
I gotta stay here.
For a few minutes, okay?
No, I wanna go home.
Just listen.
Let me go home.
Listen.
Let me just go home, please.
Let me explain
Don't
why.
leave me here.
Let me explain why, okay? Because I don't want you to go to jail. But I need to go make sure there's no cameras out there first, because that way nobody can say, well, she chased me with the car and did this on purpose.
No, he ran
And I believe you.
I wanna go
Hold on.
home.
Please, have a seat next to me. Have a seat next to me, okay? Okay.
He died on me.
Okay. Let me help you with this, okay?
I'm going to jail.
No.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Why?
Lucy, your brother died. Your brother died.
I'm gonna go get my camera.
Okay. Can you use the phone with your other hand so you can take a picture when he comes back?
Yeah, she's real full
Yes,
of it.
I know, Lucy. She cried, she hollered.
Okay. Are you still in there with her?
No.
Look, here's why. Here's why I want you to stay here, okay? For one, that way nobody's upset with you. And I want to make sure that when anybody looks at this, I don't know, Policia. I haven't been up there yet. All I did was talk to the officer to find out.
I just knew he was going to pass. Kilo died on me. He
And
died.
like I said, that's why I want to make sure.
He died. He died.
So that you can go home and not have to come back up here.
He wanted to kill himself. He told me that. He died.
When did he tell you that?
Yeah, he did. When we was in the car trying to, he said, "I'm gonna die. We're gonna kill each other."
What the detective doesn't yet know is a voicemail message, which will later be revealed, was recorded just minutes before Policia's 911 call was placed. In George's own words, will shed light on his true intentions. For now, they continue to document evidence, taking close-up photographs of her hands, where she claims George scratched her, and her face, where she says he struck her during their altercation inside the truck.
I'm going to prison.
No. Okay, you're not.
I killed him.
Let's have a seat.
He killed himself.
Here, let's have a seat.
Sit down.
Huh?
Sit down.
Well, let's sit down, okay? Trust me, it helps. I don't want you to fall down, okay? He did die. But it's not on you. Okay, let's have a seat, okay?
A toxicology report revealed that George was under the influence of methamphetamine at the time of the incident. During his autopsy, George was found to have sustained multiple injuries, including broken bones in his left leg, likely caused by impact with the front bumper. The detective noted that his severe injuries, including blunt force trauma to the head, suggested a hard impact rather than Policia hitting him slightly as if taking off from a standstill. This also aligns more closely with what she told the 911 operator.
He had to put a knife on me to get out the truck. And then he running for it. I drive toward it. I try to go miss it. He ran in. I try to go the other way. And he waited for the truck. He got hit. I tried to stop, but I think I ran over. I don't even know.
The detective also found it odd that George would be in the vehicle with Policia, clearly at a vantage point to assault her with the knife, only to exit the vehicle in the parking lot to do so. He also wrote, "It wouldn't be feasible to attempt to assault someone and take your food along with you." But with insufficient evidence to show Policia had committed a crime, whether intentionally or negligently, she's allowed to leave. Just hours after letting Policia go, the detective receives a call from George's sister. George called her at 3:44 a.m., 12 minutes before Policia dialed 911. The following voicemail leads investigators to a stunning conclusion. According to the detective's report, the audio suggests that George wanted out of the vehicle and Policia wouldn't let him. He ultimately concluded that Policia's conflicting accounts of backing up, going forward, and trying to stop lead him to believe George may have been walking away at the time of the incident. He adds that Policia's various descriptions appear to paint a picture that she was attempting to scare George, and she struck him unintentionally. 1 year after George Stoker's death, Policia was arrested and taken into custody. 3 years after her arrest on March 6, 2025, Policia Stewart pleaded guilty to criminally negligent homicide. The court deferred adjudication and sentenced her to 5 years of probation. If she successfully completes the probation period without violation, no formal conviction will be entered on her record. If you'd like to see select new videos or
One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So we ain't going to jail no more. We just don't go to jail no more. Like, so nobody goes to jail anymore. Because how come every time I've been seeing, like, I seen a man just get caught with 3.5 pounds of weed. And he straight got $1,000 bond. And probably when he went to court, probably only did like 2 to 6 months of jail. Yeah, she just got out of jail and had to do probation. And then as she completed, it's going to get off her record. They going to take that off her record. Oh, okay. Yeah, this world messed up. This world, I keep telling y'all, this can't be realistic.
and help us.
Cause she hit him on purpose. She got mad that he wanted to get out the car. He probably like, nah, I don't want to be with you. It's over with. She got mad. You know how it go. Classic domestic violence situation. But that right there, nah. Y'all, I don't even know what to say, y'all. Do y'all agree that 5 months probation or 5 years, whatever it was, probation, was nothing? It was nothing. Yeah, hit that like and subscribe button. We got some more crazy videos.